Hi guys, today I'm going to do a manual install of Primavera P6, the professional client standalone version. I already have an Oracle XE database and P6 professional client, an 8.2 version. You can check that at cat login. And just to show you the exact version, this is a standalone um, default version of the client. Next, what I'm going to do is firstly upgrade the database using the DB setup. I'll launch the installer from the P6 Professional client and select upgrade existing database. Connect to the existing database with the credentials. This is an XE database as mentioned. Okay, before installing we need to run a script to grant permissions to the ADM user and to the prev user. Okay, I'm going to connect to SQL Plus as this is DBA. I'm currently not using the system user, but the built-in account from Windows. So as is DBA, I'm going to run the manual script before upgrade. Okay, it will create a new user that wasn't present before, named the background job user. This user, as the name states, is used to run different background jobs for P6. Let's state a password for it. Select yes and upgrade. Okay, once that finishes, we can try to connect to the P6 client, but we'll notice the application will give out an error that the database versions do not match with the client version. So we'll need to upgrade the P6 client as well. Let me close down all these files, and I'm going to launch the P6 setup through setup exe. This detects that the previous version of the client already exists and it will upgrade it. I'm going to do a typical upgrade. I'm not going to choose the standalone option, which will install both the database and the client. both the XE database and the data inside the database. More advanced version would be to configure the locations and different tools, or a database only. So we're going to go with the typical install and go install. It takes a few minutes until this process finishes. And as you notice, we have done a successful connection with the P6 8.3.2 client. So that's a successful upgrade.